Hi everyone, welcome to Techno Hacks. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download GTA San Andreas on Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download GTA San Andreas on your Android is quite easy. You can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and in the search bar, search for GTA San Andreas and perform your search. Select this application that says Grand Theft Auto San Andreas from Rockstar Games. This is the official Grand Theft Auto San Andreas game you are looking for. In order to install your game on the device, you'll need to pay $6.99. According to this button over here, simply tap on the button and you can go ahead and select your payment method, whether you'd like to add a credit or debit card in order to make your payment to Google account. Tap on the button and on the next page, enter your credit or debit card information. Type in your card number in the text box, and once you type in your card number correct, tap on the Save button at the bottom of the screen. $6.99 will be deducted from your account after you go through the on-screen prompts, and you'll be able to download GTA San Andreas on your Android device. That is how you can easily download GTA San Andreas on Android quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.